Assalamu alaikum students. I am Humaira Tahir. Hope you are all well. Today we are going to start the exercises of unit number 3, media and its impacts. You need to open your books. Let's start exercise A, comprehension exercise. Look at this diagram. Here as you have read in the lesson, the role of media and its impacts, now you have to make a conclusion and highlight the points in which the media plays its role in our society. So there are 6 circles and you have to write 6 different roles which are played by media in the society. So in the first circle, the most important role played by media is that it's a powerful tool of communication. Write down powerful powerful tool of communication. Number 2, it gives us news and views. Number 3, it provides us entertainment. It has make the world a global village, or it is helpful for the globalization of the world. Next is, it is also an impressive mode of expression or effective mode of expression. And the last one is, it provides us a scenario or platform for the advertisement. It is also helpful for the advertisement. So number 1 is powerful tool of communication. Number 2 gives us news and views. Number 3 provide us entertainment, helpful in globalization, impressive mode of expression, and it also provides a platform for the advertisements. Understand? Now come to the next. Answer the following questions. Exercise B. What is the most important function that media performs? The answer is, the most important function of the media is that it gives us news and information. It gives us news and information. Number 2, what are the 2 major means of communication? Give 3 examples for each. What are the 2 major means of communication? The 2 major means of communication are electronic media and the print media. Electronic media includes internet, mobiles, television, radio, etc. And the print media includes newspapers, magazines, books, and such kind of reading material. Okay. Now, question number 3 is, how does media provide entertainment? Media provides entertainment through films, dramas, stage shows, music shows, comedies, and sports programs. Right? Number 4 is, what happens when media is allowed to play its own role unchecked? Sometimes, in order to create thrill and excitement, media exaggerates the facts. Thus, it misleads the masses. Therefore, government should put a check and establish a limit beyond which media must not go. So it is the responsibility of the government to put a check upon media. Number 5, give 3 reasons in support of your favorite TV program. Now students, it's up to you that whatever program you like most, you have to write its name and also give 3 reasons in support of that your favorite TV program. Here I am giving you an example that a student, if he loves watching documentaries on Discovery Channel, no, he can write that it gives information about natural beauty, and it also gives scientific knowledge, and it also helpful in entertainment and giving information about the world. Okay, now you have to write your own favorite TV program and give 3 reasons it supports. Next exercise is explain the following phrases as used in the text. Number 1, these are the phrases which are used in your lesson, so you have to explain them in your own words. Number 1 is geared up. Geared up means tayar rehna. Be geared up to means to be ready for something. Next is global village. Global village, almi gaon, which is linked through media. When people are linked together through media. A click away, zara si duri, at a little distance or at a short distance. Constructive role, tamiri kirdar, useful part or helpful function. Raise awareness, agahi badhana. It increases your knowledge and it gives you more information. To keep an eye means nazar rakhna, to have a watch on something attentively. A mouthpiece of the downtrodden, मजबूर तबके की आवाज. Tarjuman, a spokesman for helpless and poor needy people. Understand? Now come to next B part. Put these words in relevant columns to identify the part of speech these words belong to. Now here are 3 different columns where you have to write appropriate words. Number 1 is nouns, number 2 adjectives, and number 3 adverbs. Now think about the first word, that is media. Yes. Guess in which column this word should be written? Yes, it is noun. Media is noun. Eagerly, adverb. Communication, noun. Constructive, adjective. Audience, noun. Global, adjective. Information, noun. False, adjective. Means, noun. Corrective, adjective. Impact, noun. Loudly, adverb. Understand? Now come to the next. Change the following words into the nouns and fill in the blanks with the nouns given. Now you have to make nouns through these words. From save, we make safety. Devastating, from excited, we can make excitement. Devastating, devastation. Active, activity. Helpless, helplessness. Hopeless, hopelessness. Able, ability. Justify, justification. Okay. Now come to the exercise. Doctors are concerned with the safety of the patients. Doctors are concerned with the safety of the patients. In a state of excitement, she cried loudly. Excitement. Floods often cause large-scale devastation. Positive activity will keep you healthy. Her helplessness was quite obvious. Helplessness. She was in a state of hopelessness. Hopelessness. Number 7, she has the ability required for the job. Number 8, Have you any justification for this act? Understand? Now come to the next exercise. Identify personal, possessive, reflexive, and indefinite pronouns. Students, as you know that pronouns are the words which are used in place of nouns and names. There are so many different kinds of pronouns, but here we are concerned with personal, possessive, reflexive, and indefinite pronouns. Now, first of all, you must know what are these types of pronouns. Personal pronouns are used as subject or object. It may be subjective personal or it can be objective personal. For example, he, she, it, they, we, you, these are all subjective personals. And if we change them into objective, we may from he we can make him, from she we can make her, from we objective pronoun can be make us, and from they we can make them. So in place of subject or object, personal pronouns are used. Now next is possessive. Possessive pronoun shows the possession or ownership of something. For example, my, mine, yours, his, hers, etc. These type of pronouns are possessive. Next is reflexive. Reflexive pronouns are those in which we refer back to the subject, and they usually come in self form. For example, himself, herself, themselves, yourself. This kind of pronouns which refers back to the subject are called reflexive. Next is indefinite pronouns. These are the pronouns in which we are not certain about the subject. We don't know for whom we are talking about. It means we are uncertain and we don't know for whom we are talking in place of noun. Now look at the exercise. This is my book. Now my here is showing possession. My book. So it is possessive pronoun. Salman is absent because he is ill. He is. He here is personal. And what type of personal? Subjective. You will hurt yourself. Now here yourself is referring back to the pronoun which is you. It is then reflexive pronoun. Yourself is here reflexive. Nobody was there to rescue the child. Nobody, indefinite pronoun, because we are not certain, we are indefinite about the person for whom we are talking. Understand? My is personal. He is, my is possessive. He is personal subjective. Yourself is reflexive, and nobody is indefinite. Now identify pronoun errors and rewrite the following sentences correctly. Media plays a very constructive role for the society. It raises. Instead of they, you have to write it. It raises awareness about many social issues like corruption, terrorism, drug addiction, and violation of human rights. Instead of my, you have to write, I would conclude the discussion by saying that media plays a positive role and has a corrective impact if it works honestly. Instead of they, you have to write it. Good. Very well. Now here they are good, very well concluded. I am happy that all of you have participated. All of you have participated in this discussion and have expressed yourself very much. Instead of himself, you have to write yourself. Understand? Now come to next exercise. Complete the sentences using the right options. Media plays a very constructive role for the society. Media has also become a mouthpiece of the downtrodden. I am happy that all of you have, all of you have expressed yourself very well. Their feelings and opinions are expressed through it. Their feelings and opinions are expressed through it. Film, radio, television, internet, books, magazines, and newspapers provide us information as well as entertainment. Now, next is change the voice of the given sentences. Ali eats an apple. This is present indefinite tense. An apple is eaten by Ali. Similarly, you have to change the voices of the sentences given in E exercise. Media helps people to share the knowledge. Now here, object is people. People are helped to share the knowledge by media. Next, their feelings and opinions are expressed through it. Now, they express their feelings and opinions through it. Media attracts the attention of very large audience. The attention of a very large audience is attracted by media. After entering the house, we switch on the television. As we enter the house, the television is switched on by us. It not only informs us, but also entertains us. We are not only informed, but also entertained by it. Understand? Change the paragraph into past indefinite tense. Now here you have to change present indefinite into past indefinite using second form of verb. Media helped. Instead of helps, you have to write helped. Media helped people to share the knowledge of the world. Their feelings and opinions were expressed through it. Media attracted. Instead of attracts, you have to write attracted the attention of the very large audience. Now, did you notice? Instead of have you noticed, you have to write did you notice that the first thing we do soon after entering the house was to switch on the television. Now, wherever there is first form, you have to put second form. Instead of have, you have to put did. Right? Now, next. Up till now, exercises have been done. Now you have to write question answers and sentences on your copies and learn all the grammar exercises and MCQs on for your next test. So get yourself ready, memorize all these question answers and sentences. Okay, Allah Hafiz.